Okay, firstly, we remove these 4 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws, remove. And the other side, also 4 screws, remove. And here, under the window cover, above the keypad, the 2 fixing screws. So then you can take out the display. 这里还没有弄掉 the display. Using the alcohol to soft the silicone glue on the connector. And use tweezers to remove the silicone glue. And disconnect this to keypad cable. And then disconnect the display cable. Also use the alcohol to soft the silicone glue on the display cable. Be careful when you take out the connector. Be careful, do not break the connector itself. Then we will replace a new one. Replace a new one to you. 直接装回去那个就可以了嘛，不用装这个嘛，直接装那个原装的回去嘛就行了嘛。可以是吧？对啊。Now we install it back. Firstly, insert. 这是按键是吧？Insert the keypad cable. Make sure the direction of the direction is not opposite. The golden part is faced to you, and this side also. Do not mix the direction. Otherwise, the display, the keypad will not working. And also, 我给他看一下方向. And here, this golden part is faced to you, okay? It's faced to you, and then insert back. And then insert back the whole display. And then fix the screws here. I'll only lose these two above screw, not 4 screws.你刚刚有用了4款螺丝刀吗？有用的。OK, it's done， 可以了是吧？是结束了吧？